Ask me about my wiener. It's good to see you. You ready to go crush today? We gonna slay him or what? Frickin' what? Welcome back, guys. It's good to see you again. I believe we are, I hate to keep track of this because I'm gonna go insane, but I believe we are on day number 9 of the quest for a monster, a quest for a DD. This is kind of a little mini series I'm doing in the video for the month of March and maybe April here in Texas. For those of you guys who don't know, let me catch you up to speed. I am hunting for a fish over 10 pounds. My biggest bass is 9-something, 9.6, who cares? I caught it in Mexico. It was kind of an uneventful catch. Anyway, my goal for the past few days and in the future is to catch a giant fish. And hopefully the mic's on. Yeah, the mic's on. We are attempting that same goal today. I'm on a lake that seems to always kick my ass. The famous Joe Pool. Quite frankly, I think the most fish I've caught here is probably 2 in one day, but I seem to keep coming back. And I think this whole season and this whole video series kind of revolves around conquering the struggle. That's something I would suggest you guys attempting to. Just go out there and conquer the struggle. Go to lakes that kick your ass. You know, get revenge on fish, on places that don't really seem to be so nice to you. That's exactly why I've come out here. I know the potential. It's a great lake. I just never seem to do any good out here, but we're gonna give it a try today. The water is high. We've had a ton of rain the past few days, and Lucky and I are feeling like we maybe could get a few nibbies here and there. Alex, the editor, is also gonna be joining me too. He's not gonna do too much filming. He's actually gonna do some fishing. He's been locked away filming the Sudan video. So I figured it'd be a cool opportunity for him to get some fresh air, maybe get some bites and catch some fish. Watch, he'll probably be the one to catch a DD today. Could you freaking imagine? Water clarity is good. The water is up. The fish should be biting. It's 63.7 back here right now. Alex is in the back doing a little bit of flipping with Lucky. She's helping you out.
Yeah, she's spotting all the...
Yeah. So we're gonna go see if we can find some fish up shallow. I got a frog tied on. I got a filthy frog tied on. Alex is throwing the thick jig with 2 C's. And I might do a little bit of spinner baiting, a little bit of zinger fishing, maybe a little bit of flipping myself. Just anything to get these guys fired up. I'm about to like drop this thing and put it away and do a little bit of flip skin. Got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Oh look, good luck butterfly. Come here. Come here, I want to touch you. Okay, bye. Oh, look at this water, like, you see that? It's like green. Ugh. It's either good or bad. Oh, come on. Oh wow, I just got hit. There he is. Good fish. Good bass. There we go. There we go. About damn time we get a fish in the boat, buddy. Yes, sir. Got ourselves a nice little largemouth. There's a bit of water pushing out there, and I had a feeling that there would be a bass. I figured it would have happened in more of these other spots. We fished some areas with some good current today, and haven't really had a whole lot of luck, but that particular zone had an LMB. Good fish too, not bad. Nice little, about 2-pounder, real green and pretty. Bye-bye. Oh, another one. Good one, nice fish. Wow, there's some fish back there, I guess. Okay, second cast after that last fish, I got this guy to eat. I gotta get out of the spot though. This wind is really making it difficult to not like blow my cover. Hell yeah, we're getting some bites. Why is this motor sucking right now? 2 casts in a row, 2 fish. This is not fishing like the lake that kicks my ass. Nice one, just choking down the El Natural Bandito Bug. If they're up shallow today, that could be really good. Now that I know they're like in the very backs of the creeks, this could be good for us. Wow, he really wanted it. Jesus, Pete. There we go. Yes, sir, fish number 2. Take it. Figuring something out here. What a bunch of malarkey this is, dude. I hate this lake. Every time I come here, every time I film, I say the same stupid thing. This lake sucks. No, actually it's great. It just sucks for me. We do have 2 fish though, so I can't complain too much. I gotta have a half glass full mentality here. But the wind has picked up and it's made this water even dirtier and even harder to fish. I'm trying to fish slow and take like methodical pitches and take my time, but the wind is just not having it. But anyway, we're gonna go fish some other spots. Oh God, I just got splashed. We're gonna go fish some other spots, see if that's any good. And if it's not, we're gonna go to a different lake and see if we can wax some donkeys, some springtime donkeys. Right now we're sitting on 2 little fish, so I need to figure out my life. Let's go get them. Nah. I thought it was a big fish. He was just running with it with all his might. Felt like a big fish bite. Wow. Okay, welcome to Joe Pool, guys. Sweet, that one felt good. I really needed to get that out of my system.
Recognized by Robin Williams before he died.
Hang on. Yep. I'm like 99% sure that's, oh yeah. Oh, 100% a bass. Yeah, pretty sure it's a bass.
Lunker Log?
Yeah. No. Oh yeah, 100%. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good one too, like probably. Oh yeah, dude. Nice fish. What the f is going on here? Oh, nice one. Oh, the turtle just spooked it. What is going on here? Oh my God. Dude, I could have just caught that fish, like just now. Oh, he's still there, Dude, that's a good bass. Okay. We're good. Damn, he might be on a bat. Oh, that's it. That's the cast. I'm all f***ed up though. Oh, he just ate it. That's a good fish. Oh my God, it's a nice one. That was so sick. That's a good fish. Oh my God. No way. Let's go. That was so sick, boys. Let's go. Look at my reel. Oh, it's actually not that bad. I thought it was completely bird's nest. Dude, that was so dirty. What did you say, Alex? You just said one flip and it's gonna happen. I have just been bashing my freaking brains figuring out why these fish are not shallow. It's warm, the water's up. We've been looking up in the skinny water looking for fish like this, and I finally found one. He was just sitting on top of the water. Oh, did I get snagged or something? I don't even know why I came back here, but I was like, oh, I saw it from a distance. I was like, that looks like a bass. Lunker Log. This is like my favorite sight fishing lure. I've caught my biggest bass this season on the Lunker Log, just sight casting. Saw an 8-pounder cruising, threw it, and he ate it. And this is same scenario, just a little bit smaller fish. Oh, put it there, dude. Crush. Time to send Bessie back. What a beauty. God, that honestly might. See ya. And she's gone. There's the success. We'll catch more fish. Hey, how's it going? I was wondering if I could place an order for pickup. I gotcha. I'll get a chicken sandwich, fried chicken sandwich with French fries. French fries. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, bye. Well, Alex and I just had a much needed snack, grubbed up a bit. I'm feeling a little bit better, just a little bit. What would make me feel a whole lot better is if I caught a nice bass. I can't really complain though, because we did catch like a nice 4-pounder with 3 other little guys. There's one last spot I want to fish. I don't know if you can tell, but it's about to dumpski on us, so time is limited out here. We're gonna go fish a few more spots and then call her a day. Go home and crack open a Corona or a White Claw or I don't know, something to ease the pain, the Joe Pool pain. God, this place always kicks my ass. It's unreal. There we go. Got one. Came off. Oh no, he's still on. Jeez, that's a pretty good one. Oh my God, that's a nice fish. It's a good fish. Where's the net at? No, it's a bass, dude.
Oh no, it's...
Yes, it is. It's a bass.
It's a stud.
Net him.
It's a stud.
Let's go.
Dude, what the heck just happened?
Like you said, man.
What the heck?
We just got to make the right cast. That's a good fish. That's probably close to 6 pounds all day. Could you believe that, dude? Could you believe
What just happened?
Dude, I made like 30 casts back there too. You gotta just be kidding. That might actually go 7. Dude, I don't know.
Honestly, I think that's all of 7+.
Yeah, it's a good fish. Today was the day that we broke the Joe Pool curse. We legit just got finished eating chicken sandwiches and French fries. And I was like, yeah, let's go just try one more spot. It might be good. Wow. And just like that, we caught probably close to a 7-pound bass. That was the most ridiculous fish catch I've like ever had. Like so insane. But we got it done. Caught a nice bass. And you're like, is it a drum? I'm like, nah, bro, it's a bass. I was like laughing the whole time because like, this can't be real. This can't be real. Yeah, it's like a 20. One sec. Yeah. That's like a 23-inch bass. It's definitely one of my longest fish of the season. My God, what is that noise? It sounds terrible. What a behemoth. 6 pounds, 12 ounces. We'll take that all day. What a gorgeous fish. Oh, this is why I love Texas. Down she goes. This is why you keep fishing, never stop, man. Like I said, what I said in the beginning of today's video, you gotta conquer the struggle. Today, we conquered the struggle. Put her there, man. Teamwork. Thanks for the nut. Thanks for nutting that fish. Yeah. Another one done. See ya, buddy. Later. Take care. Well, I'll be damned. I'll be damned. Wow. It's really dark. You guys probably can't see anything. Can you guys see me? Quite the ripper of a day. Another one for the books. Day number 9 for the quest of a DD has gone fairly well. This is a lake that I really wanted to get some revenge on, and I think we officially succeeded. A 6-pounder, a 4-pounder, and a couple of squeakies is enough to make this guy right here happy. It sounds like it was a tough day of fishing. I talked to some folks who had caught some fish, but nothing crazy, which makes me feel a lot better because I felt like I was doing everything wrong, even though we did catch some fish. The journey continues. I gotta get some sleep. I gotta get some rods rigged up, and I gotta get this boat situated for yet another endeavor. I'm going fishing tomorrow with maybe a buddy or two. I don't really know. Going to a lake that I fished in the summertime that I've always wanted to go back to and revisit in the spring. So that's exactly what we're gonna do, if again the weather permits. I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to know what we caught the fish on today, I'll leave it linked down below. All the gear, all the baits. Essentially, I'll just kind of give you a lowdown as to how we caught the fish. Then Lucky will also leave the lures that she caught her bass on too, because she's so excited. What do you do? Let me pet you. Why are you so goofy? Thank you guys so much for the view. I very much appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys next time. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.